Hello, I hope you're all doing well. Earlier on, Here a Million had shared a post on disability which I really found interesting. At the same time, I'm proud to provide you our own deaf solution. You can see a bulb here, and you can see other room which is dark. This is my idea. You can see me switching on and off the switch, and you can see light blinking in the other room. This is a way to get a deaf person's attention.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.